Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make churros at home without egg and piping bag. First, let's prepare our simple dough. Combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then remove it from the heat. Stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a smooth dough forms. Let the dough cool slightly for about 5 minutes, making it easier to handle for the next step. Now for shaping our delicious churros without a piping bag. Transfer your slightly cooled dough into a sturdy plastic bag like a Ziploc. Snip a small corner, about 1/2 inch, from the bag to create an opening. Gently squeeze the dough directly into the hot oil, forming churros of your desired length. If you prefer, you can also roll the dough into ropes by hand and then cut them into traditional churro shapes. This method is super simple and effective. It's time to fry our churros to golden perfection. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your shaped churros into the hot oil, frying them in small batches. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes, turning occasionally, until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Once done, use a slotted spoon to remove them and let any excess oil drain on paper towels. This ensures they stay wonderfully crisp. Finally, let's add that classic sweet finish. In a shallow dish, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. While your churros are still warm from frying, roll them generously in this delicious cinnamon sugar mixture until they are fully coated. Serve your homemade, egg-free churros immediately for the best possible taste and texture. They are absolutely delightful on their own, or you can pair them with a rich chocolate dipping sauce. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.